How to lower your PC's CPU temperatures. Overheating CPUs can be quietened and kept cool with some simple steps. Even removing the side panel can offer some relief, as can cleaning your PC to remove dust and debris. Ensuring that cool air has a clear path to the CPU and increasing fan speeds can also help. Undervolting your CPU and graphics card can reduce power output and in turn, lower temperatures. Repasting the CPU with new thermal paste, upgrading your system cooling and CPU cooler, and underclocking your CPU can also prove beneficial. Deliting the CPU is a more extreme solution and requires careful execution. Lastly, cooling the entire room or bringing in cool air from outside can also aid in lowering CPU temperatures. Making these changes can help to prolong the lifespan of your CPU, decrease noise, and even enhance performance.